Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications. From here, look for your Do Not Disturb mode, which is called just DND for short. Once you locate this icon, you want to hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now, scroll a little bit down and you'll find the Do Not Disturb. And here you can customize the couple of settings that are accessible. So you have obviously the toggle to turn it on off. We have the schedule. When you enable it, you can actually customize it. We also have option for when the device is locked, meaning that's the time that Do Not Disturb mode will run during. We have notify about callers, so you can choose who can call you. And then last thing is notify about repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever we have selected right over here. Now, once you have went through the settings and customized them to your liking, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on a toggle, and there we go, it's now enabled. And if you want to use the Do Not Disturb mode on a schedule, then just make sure that it is toggled on right over here. You don't need to turn it on here, just make sure that this is just turned on. And going back to the manual route, once you have enabled it, do keep in mind to turn it off, otherwise it will be running permanently. So you just turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.